So we're going to stick with our theme of acrostic poems, but today instead of doing your name like you did yesterday, we're going to do an object. So I want you to think of an object, a noun, a thing that's important to you. So like I'm going to start off by just making a list of a couple different things that are important to me. So I ended up doing more like nouns instead of just objects because family is not an object I can touch. Remember, it's not concrete, it's abstract. It's a thing that you have that you can kind of touch your family. I guess that would kind of work too. Those are people. So ignore that. That would be just a normal noun, your family. All right, so family, Zola, that's my dog, Diet Pepsi, Haley, heated blanket. So I came up with some different ideas. So I'm going to pick which one I like the best, and I'm going to turn that into an acrostic poem. And remember, your acrostic poem is going to be that word written up and down, and then you come up with another word that relates to that original word going sideways. But you could also do sentences. I was thinking I might do heated blanket, and instead of doing, I don't have enough room for this, just make it smaller. Instead of doing words, I'll make it a sentence. So here I am, and then I gotta think of something for E, because I want to tell a story about me under my heated blanket where I don't want to get up. So, enveloped, I want to say like surrounded by my heated blanket. Let me think about that for a second. All right, so here's what I got so far. I said, here I am, enough work for the day at my favorite place, the bed. So I'm making mine more like a story. And then now in the next sentence has to start with the word E. Electric blankets covers me as I lay down. See how that goes? As long as you can make it so that you have a word for each letter. All right. So, bitter coldness leaves me, and now I know. So that probably should be an uppercase B, but actually no, because I'm going to leave it as that's my full word, heated blanket. The bitter coldness leaves me, and now I know even when I need to get up, it will be tough. That's true. When you get under that heated blanket, you do not want to get up. You do not have to do yours like this. I just wanted to show you another example of why you could do it. You could absolutely do like we did last time, where you pick your one word and then you just come up with words that have to do with that. All right? But you do however you want. Once you copy it down here, then it's going to need to go in here into your book. So you'll go to table of contents, and I'm going to write, make sure you're not writing too big. I might have started it too big because I want to be able to fit everything on my table of contents. I'm going to write page 2, and this is going to be heated blanket, and I run out of room to write poems, so I'm going to just write that in the next line. And so when I start page 3, I'll need to start it down just a little bit lower. And then I copy it in my book. So here's my heated blanket poem. I used a little cursive. I put some colors in there. I even drew a little picture. So today you need to write your heated blanket poem. I'm sorry, you don't need to write a heated blanket poem. You need to write your poem about an object, do your rough draft, put it in your poem book. So you should have 2 poems done by the end of today.